Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after color palette edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this video here, and on the second one I'm just going to add more color into the image like so. You can basically adjust it to your liking, of course. Just gonna try to adjust it a little bit. Maybe sharpen it out a little. Add in a bit of brightness. Okay, so that's the after and that's like the before, of course. On the second video, go to mask, select horizontal, and you're going to adjust it this way. And we're going to add the line here. Add a keyframe, and then like in the middle you're just going to drag the line all the way to the right. If you want to, you can also add in a line. So go to background and select this white stock video, freeze frame that, and we're going to select the mirror one, and we're going to create a really small line like so. We're going to place that like here, add a keyframe here, and like go to this keyframe and go up here, and we're going to move it to the very right. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.